What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ze Historien, back with another unboxing video. It's been a really long time since I uploaded a video in general, so I am really sorry about that. There's a lot of stuff with like army recruitment going on, academics, getting ready for college. I'm a senior this year, so you know, a lot of that stuff. But thanks to a good friend on Instagram, I managed to procure a huge load of goods, as you can see right here on this package that we're going to be unboxing today for German World War II, if you haven't guessed already, for the 5th Viking SS impression for Kampfgruppe Junge, which is my local reenactment group here in Leander, Texas. So if you guys are interested, hit me up down in the comments below. I also have Vis's email and everything attached to my YouTube channel. So if you guys go to my channel, go to like, you know, about or whatever, I'll have all my resources there. And you guys can contact me if you guys want to join. We're open worldwide to anyone and everyone that wants to join. But that is a whole different matter. We have our trusty box cutter here today. And we're going to open this huge load and see what we have this month. This is September 2021. Fall. Actually, I'm not sure what date. Is it 23rd? I'm not even sure. First day of fall. Perfect season to start wearing German uniforms again. You know, the wool doesn't feel so hot. When it starts getting colder and the wind is blowing through my hair here. And we're also getting ready for winter with a 272nd Infantry Division der Wehrmacht in Stalingrad, which if you guys want, I can make a whole video about when I finish the impression. I have a lot of the winter stuff already, and it's going to be based on the 272nd Infantry Division in Stalingrad in 1942. So, look forward to that. Looking forward to winter in general for you know, winter reenacting, and let's get started. Last video, last unboxing video, I really just talked the entire time while I tried to open this big fat box. But this is a UPS box, and I got a box cutter. There's no hesitation. You don't need to spend like 20 minutes unboxing it. Like we, ow, I cut myself. Oh god, hurts. But you don't need to spend 20 minutes unboxing it like we did in the last video, because we just opened it in like 30 seconds. And the first thing I see is boom. That's right, Plane Tree number 2. Waffen-SS 1942 Camel Smock. Let's pull it out here. Oh yes, I've been looking forward to this a lot. Oh my gosh, it smells horrible. I mean, it smells like surplus. But this is a size extra large. This is a size all combat smocks in World War II. All combat smocks in World War II were created in. So it's a single size. If it doesn't fit you, sucks. Hopefully this will fit me. Yeah, it'll be just fine. It'll be baggy, but that's how, you know, SS soldiers wore it. This is a Plane Tree number 2. There's a number 2 on the sleeves. I'm not sure where I can find this. There it is, actually. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Let's get really close. It's backwards for me. Maybe it'll reverse itself when I edit the video. If not, I'll have to do it myself. But if you guys can't see that square, it says number 2. So, this is Plane Tree pattern, part of the 1942 series camouflage. I was issued Plane Tree to Waffen-SS troops. In the front, I don't know why, but my white stripes are giving me a hard time, and I just put them on for the video. So, but it's a whole set. My friend was kind enough to replace the buttons on the smock, the repro buttons, with like superior quality buttons. I'm pretty sure. I don't think they're original, but. Okay, I could be wrong. I'll have to check the messages again when we discuss the smock before I can confirm anything. But this is it, front and back. I've been looking forward to a lot. You know, I'm going to be wearing that smock on top of this. You can already tell, you know, it's going to look sick over this uniform. Not to mention, I like the camouflage stuff on, you know, Waffen-SS lots. I'm already wearing dot 44. Might replace these with wool in the future, but we're dot 44 for now. With that Plane Tree number 2 smock pattern, and already what looks like a oak leaf type 2 helmet cover on my Stahlhelm. So this would be a comparison between Plane Tree and oak leaf type 2, and that. Here, I'll go on my tippy toes a little bit to show you guys better because I can't depress the camera anymore. The camouflage patterns compared to the Epic Dot 44 trousers I got on. Oh my goodness, the white straps just came off. Really big pain, guys. Really big pain. But that is the biggest item and the first thing we have seen for this unboxing. I'll put it right here with the helmet on top so it doesn't unfold itself. Thank you very much for the Smock, man. Next, the next big thing I see is a German gas mask canister. Now this is, I'll bring up the camera again. Don't worry about it, guys. You don't have to zoom in for this one. But this is a superior reproduction. This is super expensive, but I got it off my friend for actually a really decent price. This is going to go on the rear of my belt, so somewhat like this. Oh man, just picturing it already makes me really excited, pumped up for my 5th SS Division, Panzer Division impression. But unfortunately, it does not come with the strap. So I ordered another one, and it's coming in sometime next month. Probably won't make an unboxing video with that, but hey, you know, who knows? It's a pretty small load, but you know, looking forward to getting the strap, hooking it up, and wearing it on the back like so. And oh my gosh, it's just gonna look really sick. I mean, I even made room for it on the back of my web kit here. Between the shovel cover and the bread bag is where my gas canister is gonna be, and it's gonna be dangling right here. It's gonna look sick. Correct, painted in the correct field gray camouflage with a couple of marks worn down, etc., etc. I have no idea. Oh, all right, never mind. Found out how to open it. And ho, I was wondering where that product went. I didn't see it there. Stuff inside the gas canister is a service shirt. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but since I'm portraying an NCO, me and our Scharfuhrer, Wilhelm Schneider, have been wearing white dress shirts, which is, you know, accurate. We're NCOs/officers. We could wear those. However, it is much more accurate for the enlisted officers or enlisted soldier/NCO to be wearing a service shirt. And I finally got one today. It's missing a few buttons on the top, but no problem. I plan on wearing this for summer and winter, so as long as the bottom buttons on the collar are here, it's fine, which they are present. This is a size medium. Don't worry, it's gonna fit me just fine. Hopefully, I don't know, I wear baggy clothes anyways, so I really don't see what the issue is. As long as it goes over my torso, it'll be fine. It's under my tunic anyway. But we got here a Federal service shirt, the Waffen-SS. Very cool, size medium, made by, looks like Stern Miltech because of the tag. I don't know, it looks like the same one on my tunic, but there we go. There's that. Thank you very much for everything you got so far, but that is not the end of it. No, you guys thought that was it, because I mean, it's already a big load if you guys think about it. I mean, look, we got ourselves a giant smock, okay? We got ourselves a service shirt and a gas can. Those are already really big items, crucial for any German impression, in my opinion. Sorry, I'm trying to secure my Y straps while I'm talking here so they don't keep interfering with the video. I'm not sure how the last reenactment went with these Y straps. I mean, they were fine, I guess, but I don't know, they're acting up today, so. But next up, because it is not over, is a German M31 Brotbeutel. Now this is also known in English as a bread bag. Dude, there's so much stuff. Okay, I kind of forget how much I ordered with this guy, but goddamn, man. My friend is really throwing in stuff in here for me, and he's keeping me surprised. I actually forget what I ordered. But this is an M31 Model 31 Brotbeutel. Worn down, good production. This is his. This used to be his old one here. He portrays 12th SS with this one. You can see on the name tag, it says Schutze Fischer, and the date of, I think it was issue at the bottom. Don't know how to read that, but you know, whatever. And inside is camo straps. So if I need to repair my camouflage or maybe experiment with something camo, he threw in a bunch of these for me. So thank you so much. There's a bunch in here actually. There's a reversible, I don't know, what looks like oak plane tree, not sure. I'm not very good at my 1942 camouflage, guys. My apologies. But there's a ton of them. What is it called? I guess strips. There are a bunch of strips of them inside the bread bag, so we'll put them right here and cover the rest because there's just, I mean, there's not that much left. We covered a lot of them, but there's a lot of stuff in general. So next up is really old Car 98K pouches. I really doubt these are original. I'm pretty sure these are repro, but y'all probably can't tell the difference unless, you know, you guys are experts at this. I mean, if I looked at this like just straight up at like some event, I'd probably be like, yo, that's really cool. Where'd you get them? You know, are they original? This is the front, and this is the back of the straps, or pouches, my bad. They've got the square buckle, as we could see, which was seen on some photos of a Car 98K pouch, especially late war production when things are getting faulty and everything. But, you know, usually they have the round loops, the D-rings on them, which is what my repro ones have, but they're way too clean. I'll probably be using these to replace my current really clean production, reproduction Car 98K pouches on my Stalingrad impression. So thank you. And lastly, but not least, wait, last but not least, I'm not sure, I don't think that's the right phrase, but we've got this simple thing. It is a German World War II helmet strap, or helmet band, my bad. I've only been using the helmet band term for Vietnam War because that's when these were like really popular throughout the armed forces of the United States. However, the Germans also used them in World War II as well. Now, this is made by my friends, other friends, now mutual friends themselves. So thank you very much to that guy, who I shall not mention, unfortunately, for making this really epic reproduction rubber German World War II helmet band. Now, what I've seen a couple other reenactors do in Waffen-SS is when they have a helmet cover like this, especially mine, if I moved it up here, so this steel part is showing, not only just because it's cooler looking and it provides better protection, but if I put this down under the helmet like it was supposed to be, it will flop down, like right in front, like the whole flap will just come down here, and it will cover my eyes. I can't see anything, so I moved it all the way up here. So what I was really looking forward to with this helmet band is I can wrap it around the Type 2 helmet cover, which is what, like I said, it's not very common, but I've seen a reenactor do it. I really like his concept, and this thing keeps falling off. So to keep it secured and, you know, in this kind of style, I'm going to wrap it around the entire circumference of the helmet, and let's see how that would look. Again, it's late war. I'm going to do it right here real quick while I'm talking to you guys. But it's late war. A lot of things went on the regulations they weren't really, let's say, a priority. Late war, it's just kind of, if you can do it, this is a lot harder than that. That's not put full concentration into this. Okay guys, be right back. This is going to take a while. Alright, that looks set for all we have today on the helmet. And it looks quite nice, I'm not gonna lie. This is how the result turned out. We got the strap here. I made it to go under the foliage loops, so I can still, you know, put things in the loops of the helmet. If not, I can still put it through the strap, so it's fine. Concealment factor is on point. Looks sick. To see what it looks like on my head really quick, I'm gonna get the hair out of my way. Boom. So this is the front profile of the helmet. To the side, to the side. And let's turn around real quick. I'm not even sure if this is going to do. I really hope it is. I don't have to hide in the back of my head. Like, you know, I guess soldiers are supposed to train to have. But let's wrap this up really quick, even though it feels really nice out. This is the stuff that we got today. Thank you to my very good friend, who I will just mention is from Instagram. Plops over here really quick so you guys can get that full view of the epic stuff. We got 2 Car 98K pouches today, really good superior repros. We got an M13 Brotbeutel with camo straps or strips inside for me to experiment with. Gas mask canister, which I will be using a lot. A Ferrau Deutsches Zweite Weltkrieg. I don't know why I'm switching between German and English so hard, but service shirt that I can wear under this impression, and this Plain Tree #2 camo Smock or Waffen-SS. Oh, there's a lot of sand. He weathered it really good. Let me take off my helmet so I can say these kind words straight from the heart here. Thank you very much, man. And, you know, our mutual friend who created the helmet strap and everything, or helmet band and everything. Thank you very much to you guys for keeping this channel going. I'm so sorry I haven't posted for so long. There's a couple other projects coming up after this video, maybe before this video, I'm not sure. Currently, for what's planned and scheduled after this video. I hope you guys stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching a video of Ze Historien. So, you guys have a good one, and peace out. Woo! Let's get it! I'm never saying that again.
Спеши ко мне, если я вдали, если трудно мне.